Please go. So last class we started CSS and we discussed how to work with inline CSS, how to work with internal CSS, how to work with external CSS, all those things. And today onwards, we will discuss there are multiple properties which are going to be available in CSS. So let's try to discuss with the different properties. Let me try to create a new file in 29/10. So let me take the notes here. Okay. So how to apply color and BG color or background color. How to apply color and background color for elements. Color and background color. So color basically color for text. Color for text. Background color. Background color for the text. Background color for text. Color is the property color for the text. Background hyphen color, background color for the text. Or background color for element, whatever it may be. And one more point I want to say, color and background color. Color and background color. Color and background color can be provided in multiple ways. In multiple ways. The one is name. The one is RGB function. One is name, one is RGB function, and one is hex value. Hex value or hexa value. Or hexa value. Or hash value. Whatever it will be. Okay, so what is this name here? Name is something like a red, green, blue kind of thing. So red, green, blue, orange. See, whatever it may be, the name, that is the name. RGB is something like a RGB combination. It is something like a red, green, blue combination. Red, green, blue, like that. So RGB function, which is having a values, which is something like 0 to 255. 0 to 255 range of red, green, blues. 0 to 255 range of red, green, blues. Okay, the value should be between 0 to 255. Red value between 0 to 255. Green value also 0 to 255. And blue also 0 to 255. RGB values. And third one, hex value. How this hex value will be? Hash value. Hash some color code. For example, I want to give some numerical numbers and character digits. Numerical numbers or character digits. F. This is something like a full white color. This is something like full white color. Hash 00000. This is something like a full black color. Full black color. So in this way, you can provide the colors and background colors. In this way, we can provide colors and background color for the elements. So let us try to see in practical way how these colors and background colors will be applicable. Let me take a new program, save it as colors and BG colors. Colors and BG colors.html. Okay, let's have the HTML now. This is a template. Color BG color. Color BG. Okay. Let's have the different elements. Let me take a paragraph. Okay, lorem. And let me have the one more paragraph. Lorem. Lorem is the plain text which is going to be available over there. Okay. I will be having some style sheet now. Let me take a paragraph. P have some color. P have some color called white. White is text color. White is text color. And background color. Background color is something like black. I want to give the background color as black. I want to keep color as white. Color is text color. Background color is the BG color of the paragraph. Okay, let me give some margin for each and every element. Margin is something like outer box, outer space. Okay, when I say like this, you can see we have two paragraphs with white color font and black color backgrounds. White color font and black color backgrounds. Can you see and observe? Can you see and observe white color font and black color backgrounds which are available? White color fonts and background color black. White color fonts, black color backgrounds which are going to be available. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear, guys? How this is going to be working for you? Color is text color, BG color is background color. Color is text color, BG color is background color. Both are available. Both are available. And now we are working with the names. Color with the names. I am working with what? Color with names. Let me try to take headings here. So heading is web development. I am trying to giving a heading called web development. I am trying to taking two more headings. Totally, I am taking two or three headings. But for all these headings, my requirement is I want to give the color and background color with RGB function. RGB, red, green, blue combination. My background should be blue. It means 255 is the full number. Green should be 0 and red should be 0. It means it is full blue color. Background color it is, sorry, text color it is. And the background color, let me provide the background color. Background color also I'm trying to giving the RGB, background color RGB. Background color RGB, I want to give the background color as black. When I want to go with the background color as black, so it's something like 000. When I say 000, so thank you. Now you can see, guys, how this is going to be working for you. We have the three elements. Background color is black, and your text color is white. Sorry, text color is blue. Text color is blue. Why? Because of we are giving RGB 00 255. 255, whenever I'm giving the full number, automatically that should be blue color, full blue color. And that is the H1 related. Now let me go with H2 related things. H2 related. H2 is something like a full stack web development. I'm taking one H2 here. This H2 is full stack web development. I'm taking H2 as full stack web development. But I want to take multiple H2s over there. I'm trying to taking multiple H2s over there. When I'm taking multiple H2s, all these H2s, I want to give the background color and color. Again, color. Color I want to give the green now. But hash value I'm trying to provide. 00 RGB FF00. This is the full green color. This is the full green color. And background color also I'm giving the hash value. Hash 000000. That is a black color. Okay. So whenever I'm saying the background color black and color is green, but here I'm trying to providing the color and background color with the hash numbers. And here I'm trying to providing the color and background color with RGB functions. And here I'm trying to providing the color and background color with the names. End of the day, you will be having the colors and background colors with names, RGBs, and hash values. Names, RGBs, and hash values. Okay, so we are trying to providing the Devashala Sumaharshini. We are trying to providing the colors and background colors. Colors and background colors we can provide in the multiple ways. How to provide the colors and background colors with the multiple ways? Colors and background colors you can provide with three ways. What are the three ways? Color and background color we can provide in multiple ways. The first one is name. The second one is RGB function. Third one is hex value. Third one is hex value. Okay, so let me try to open browser. So in the browser, I'm trying to working like colors CSS. You can search for color CSS. CSS colors W3 schools. There you can see multiple colors. Okay, you can see multiple colors. For each and every color, you can see some RGB. So this is hash value basically. This is hash value. Okay, you can open like colorzilla.com. Color color picker. You can just search for color picker. Otherwise, color picker, color picker in Google. You can go color picker in Google. When you go color picker in Google, so when you select some color, when you pick up some color, whatever the color you want, you can select a color. That color is going to be RGB. What is the RGB of the color now? 47, 50, 90. And what is the X value of the same color? The same color which is having hex value like this, the same color which is having the RGB value like this. You're trying to observing it. You're trying to observing it. This is the RGB value and this is the hex value of that particular color. This is the RGB value and this is the hex value of that particular color. You may get understand how the things are getting happening with colors and background colors. Any questions on this? Colors and background colors? Daivashala Sumaharshini. Any questions on this? Colors and background colors. Next, we try to work with the font properties. What are the different kind of font properties which are available in CSS? Multiple font properties. What are the different kind of font properties which are available? The one is font style. The one is font weight. The one is font family. Font style, font weight, font family, font size. Font size. Font style, font weight, font family, font size. These are the four different properties which are going to be available for the fonts. Okay, let's try to apply font style, font weight, font family, font size. Let's take a new program. Save it as font properties. Font underscore properties. Program name is font properties dot html. Dot html mandatory for everything. Okay, this is the program name. This is the program name font properties. Yes, I'm trying to taking the multiple paragraphs now. I'm trying to taking multiple paragraphs now. Okay, Lauren. Okay, let's keep the multiple paragraphs. But now what my requirement is, I want to apply the style for the paragraphs. For the first paragraph, for the two paragraphs, I want to give the font properties. The first property is font family. I want to go for the font family. It's a different kind of font family. I want to go with the font family called cursive font family, cursive. So without applying the font family, how this will be, and after applying the font family, how this will be. So now I'm not applying any font family. What is the output of these two paragraphs? What is the output of these two paragraphs? Now your two paragraphs are looking like just like normal. Your two paragraphs are just look like normal. But when I provide this font family something like a cursive. When I provide a font family something like a cursive, when I applied cursive font family, then how these fonts are looking like. So now you can see font family changed. Previous font family is different and this font family is different. You got observed, font family got changed. You got observed, font family got changed. Please reply here. Daivashala Sumaharshini. Font family changed. Previously, without applying the font family is different. After applying the font family is changed. Now, one more property. Font size. Okay, I want to go with the font size larger font family I want to give. So larger means it will be the bigger one. Yes. Or you can go with different properties, something like large, small, smaller, X large, double X large. X small, double X small, the kind of sizes. Or you can give the number also. And one more font weight, something like bold. I want to say something like bold. And font weight, okay. Font size, okay. Font style is something like italic. Italic style I want to provide. Italic style I want to provide. When I provide italic style, now font is italic font style. See, your fonts are going to be changing like anything. Your fonts are going to be changing like anything. Getting my point, guys? How this is going to be working? How your font families are going to be changing? How many font properties are there? How many how many font properties are there? Please text me here. Please ping me here. How many properties are there? How many font properties are there? Text me here. One is font style, one is font weight, one is the font family, one is font size. And we applied all the font properties here in this program. Font family I applied, font size I applied, font weight I applied, font style I applied. Four properties. Good. So this is about the font properties. Let me go with the text properties also. Text properties. What are the different kind of text properties which are there? Text decoration, text align, text indent, sorry, text hyphen indent. Okay, so now text transform and line height, word spacing. These are the properties for the text. So whenever you have the bigger text, you have a paragraph. For that paragraph, we will be having different kind of text properties. Let me try to apply these text properties for the paragraphs. Let me take a new program and take it as text properties. Text properties dot HTML. Let's try to provide the program. Text properties. This program is according to the text properties. Okay, so let's try to apply the text properties for the paragraphs. Now I'm taking the paragraph called Laura. Okay, let's try to take multiple paragraphs over there. I'm trying to taking the one more paragraph. Again, Laura. Okay, so total I taken two paragraphs and I'm providing the style for the paragraphs. P text decoration underline. I'm giving underline decoration. When I say underline decoration, how your paragraphs are going to be look like? Your two paragraphs with underline style. Your two paragraphs with underline style, or I'm giving something like overline style. When I'm giving overline style, so overline style is something like this. On top of the text, you are getting the line, that is overline. There is a one more property called line through. When I say line through, how the line is going to be applicable on top of the text. Line through, this is line through. Underline, overline, line through. Three properties are there. One more property. Text indent text decoration. Text decoration is over. Text transform. Text transform to uppercase. When I say uppercase, all the text will be in the uppercase format. All the text will be in the uppercase format. And one more property, text align. Align center. When I say center alignment, see, this is something like WordPad. This is something like WordPad. Alignment center. Your text is aligned to center, or you want to align to right, you can go for right. Right alignment will be taken. Right alignment will be taken. Okay, so text is towards the right side, towards the right side of the browser. That is the align right. When I say left is the default one. Left is the default one. When I say left is going to be taking. By default, if you not say any property in the align, automatically it is the left. Default is left. One more property. Text indent for the first line of the particular paragraph text, I want to give the indentation. Indentation should be something like 70 pixel. When I say some property, when I say some value like 70 pixel, how this 70 pixel is going to be indenting? The first line of the particular paragraph, it will take some indentation, it will take some space here. That is something like indentation. Some indented space is omitting for us. Some indented space is omitting for us. Remember it. This is very, very clear. This is very, very clear. Some text indent property. Text decoration, text transform, text align, text indent. One more property. Word spacing. Word spacing is something like word to word, some space I want to take. Word to word. In the particular text, word to word, some space I want to take. Okay, word to word, some space is taking. Can you see and observe? Word to word, some space is taking. Word to word, some space is taking. That is actually called property called word spacing. One more property is something like line height. Line to line, some space I want to apply. Line to line, some space I want to apply. So when I provided line height, line to line, some space is going to be omitted. Okay, let me give the more values here. When I give 40 pixel, 40 pixel is a little bit more. Line to line, some space is going to be omitted. Line to line, some space is going to be omitted. That is actually called line height. That is actually called a line height. So everybody clear what I'm talking about? Everybody clear what I'm talking about? Daivashala Sumaharshini. So these are the things you follow today, and what are the properties we learned today? Colors and background colors, how to apply colors and background colors, how to apply font properties, how to apply text properties. You watch the recorded session one more time from the YouTube, and you do practice well. If you are not doing practice, you can't able to learn something. Please try to do practice well. We'll try to see some more properties, some more selectors in the coming class, and what are the preferences of the particular style sheets and all. We will see in the coming class. Please do practice from the YouTube. I will upload all the recording sessions in the YouTube, and I will upload the notes also in the drive. Please follow the drive and download the notes and follow the YouTube and watch your recorded sessions and provide comments and all. Okay. Thanks for watching the session, and tomorrow we'll see again. Tomorrow we'll connect again. Okay, today I have some work.